Hello folks, I have since gone live. I think there's another 4 minutes to go. There wasn't necessarily an intention to make this a big deal. I thought it would be fun, and it's been a while since I have done any live unboxing or any live on my Instagram channel. Thought to give it a try and also to check out how my setup is. I'm trying to see whether or not on my desktop do I see my own live. I don't think so. So anyway, it's hello to everyone. So I'm trying out my unboxing live of the figure MIRA Chibi version from Derri Abraham at MEJIN toys.bigcartel.com. I'll put a link in the description later, but I'll probably jump straight into my unboxing lah. And if you have any questions, to let me know related to the toy. Yes, hi, I am from Singapore. It is now Monday at 1:30 in the afternoon in Singapore. So I'll do this live, then I'll hit to grab my lunch. So what I'll do right now is I'll let you have a look at the box. This is the packaging box lah. I've taken apart. It's a bit unsightly here because of the address and whatnot. So this is, I think, purely just a delivery box. So chill. But it came in this small little package, which I thought was pretty cool, with its own print, metallic printout, MIRA Chibi right here. So this is pretty cool. All the small little details prints out. Which I certainly hope to see again inside. So anyway, without me yakking anymore, cut straight into it. I'm hoping the audio works for you folks. I'm taking why I chose 1 o'clock, 1:30, a bit of delay today. Why I chose this time, because it is essentially lunchtime. And lunchtime, whatever construction is going on around here, folks taking a lunch, so I don't have to worry about noise pollution. But today there's a bit of delay to 1:30. But nevertheless, let's check out what's inside. Foam. Plenty of foam. Ooh, nice. Okay, I'll put the foam in the back. Put the logo here. Reverse, unfortunately. So, ta-da! Nice! Ooh! This is a special piece, huh? A special piece I will talk about later. So don't be surprised if this hits you guys soon. I will not say anything beyond looking at the figure first. Yeah, I'm excited. First look at the bag. Bag is as is, like this. Sealed bag with a sticker. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Sorry for the pause. I just don't want to tear into it. A bit heartbreaking, but I can't wait to get at the figure. There it is. In a, I would say, unmistakable colorway, perfect colorway. If this were a TOYSREVIL exclusive, I'll update you guys soon. But yes, this is different from what's currently available in the MEJIN Toys Big Cartel. This, I certainly appreciate the colorway, and this would be a perfect TOYSREVIL edition colorway. Don't you agree? Don't you agree? Would you want to buy this? Give a shout out. Let me know if you folks are interested in this as an exclusive colorway. And I'll sort something out. we'll sort something out for you. My gosh, this is a resin sculpted by Derri Abraham himself, and this particular colorway with the red resin here, and black, red on black, and this is the perfect manifestation of my block colorway. Yeah, there is a weight to this which I totally adore. I'm not saying this because this is fantastic colorway, of course it is, but there's a certain weight that comes with resin figures, and I really appreciate it. Handled with care, but there's a certain weight, whereas something of this size, if it was vinyl, PVC, it might not necessarily be. I don't know how to describe it. I'm a tangible person. I mean, I like to hold things. I like to hold my toys. I like to feel the weight of my toys. To a certain degree, with something of a certain weight, I would, in my mind, it's like a collectible more than toy. Like a lighter toy, which is no offense to Sofubi or vinyl toys, but I like a weight to my toys. Collectibles, the word is collectibles. And this dude, let me see if I can shine a light for y'all to see clearer. This dude is amazing, bro. This is amazing, What do you guys think? Look at the details there. Print. Is it a print or painted on? Super glossy resin. Utterly adorable. Adorable, I say. Look at the red. Yeah. Any questions? Yeah, resins for the win, man. Soma Force. Any questions so far? The toys at the back are getting a lot more highlight. So yeah, let you folks know about the status of these little guys very, very soon. From Derri Abraham, M.I.R.A Chibi, made in Indonesia. Happening, bro, happening lah. Let me see. Oh yes, I'm sorry folks, I just realized the sharpening function, that maybe it wasn't as sharp as visuals could have been earlier on. Apologies for that. Make up for it. Have another look at a turnaround of this cute guy in a fantabulous, I would say, TOYSREVIL colorway. My block mascot colors: red, black, and white. Get the details. Sweet. Yes, the red Joe looks like candy. I agree, man. I agree. Even my diabetic ass, right? I would love to be able to munch into this. And this is pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, and I will end, since there's no question, I will end my unboxing. It's quick unboxing, but it's also a introduction to this figure and this colorway, which I certainly hope I can bring you folks good news very soon. Thank you all for watching, and I will probably more likely try to link this up on my YouTube so you can permanently see this. Of course, it can be watched on my Instagram, IG as well. Yeah. Thank you for watching, folks. Enjoy. You never end, Mampus. Let me press the end. Bye, folks.